When it comes to extreme weather, commercial, federal, state, and local agencies need all the fast and reliable data they can get to make the best decisions when things are uncertain.
Weather's responsible for more air traffic delays, reroutes, and diversions than any other reason. So that satellite data and the tools that they provide help the traffic flow managers in both the FAA and for the airlines to getting better understanding of what those hazards are, where they're at, and what they're forecast to be, so that we can either mitigate them or just work around them.
From the vantage point from space, NASA and partner satellites provide critical information to aviation, shipping, state transportation departments, and logistics industries. NASA's cutting-edge technology brings unprecedented views of the Earth, giving us a closer look inside cloud systems, lightning, dangerous storms, severe weather over land and far offshore, beyond what traditional radars can observe.
We are a met-ocean data analytics company, and we do numerical modeling to describe the ocean in 4 dimensions.
We have these numerical prediction capabilities to essentially tell people, the users, the ocean conditions, the current temperature, wave, and so on and so forth in any part of the global oceans.
The information gathered by satellites can help decision makers adapt to quickly changing situations and make travel and transport safer and more efficient. NASA is creating awareness of precipitation and cloud data to help inform critical operation decisions today and into the future.